Hey, are you curious how to make videos in Canva that look something like this? So this was a video with Serena that I recently posted on Instagram, and I started getting questions on how I made it, how did I make it look so pretty, how do you simplify that? So a lot of people believe that they need, super complicated softwares and, know a whole bunch of technology. Not true. So I'm going to show you how to make it using Canva, and I'm also going to show you how to use GIFs or GIFs or however you want to call them, also using Canva. So as you can see, this is the video, like it's all edited, got my, little watermark over here. And then the video, as you can see, it is 6.1 seconds. So I'm going to go into my Canva account and start from scratch. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and create a design. And for the sakes of this video, we're just going to use, you can either use custom or you can just edit the photo, but we're going to go with an Instagram post. So, and what we're gonna do is, first of all, I usually start with, a background, and you can make it your brand color, for example. Let's just make it, I don't know, yellow. And then what you can do is you can go over into uploads, and as you can see, inside of Canva, you can upload images or videos or audios, right? So I don't have no audios right now. I already have a video, but if you want to upload once again, what you do is you just click upload, and then you can either choose from Google Drive, Instagram, or whichever. I'm going to use device. And I already have the video, but I'm just going to show you how to do it. So what you want to do is just scroll to where your video is at. So as you can see, I already have this 6-second clip. I'm not going to choose it just because I already have it uploaded right here, so there is no need. Let me pause that. So, and then you just locate, put the video however you want it to be, like whether you want to take, the full screen. So just kind of line it up, then you can position it to the middle, so it's all nice. And then all you do is you just add the text, place it wherever you want it to be, right? Scale it, make it like one of those meme videos, and then you can just put some text underneath. Now, if you want to do something like, I don't really have an example on my account yet, because I don't think I've used any of these, but there's a lot of GIFs or GIFs that you can also embed as a video, and they would, the video, that your post basically would be more engaging. So what you do is, I'm just gonna again make a new slide. I'm just gonna do like a different color, and then what you want to do is you want to go under more, so the button at the bottom right here, and then Canva actually gives you a lot of different options. You can embed a chart, you can embed, Facebook posts, like anything like that, emojis, embeds, like all kinds of different things, like Bitmojis too, if you have a little Bitmoji design of yourself from Snapchat, that was popular back in the day, so you can do that. But for GIFs, you want to use Giphy or Jiffy. Again, I don't know how to say all that. So just choose one of these, and then you can search. I don't know, there's one meme that I really love. I'm not sure if it's going to show up over here, but let's say if you want to use Stewie, you can just use Stewie, and there you go. And honestly, if you can't find the meme over here, which honestly there's really no need for you to do all that, you can just go to Giphy website, or find a specific meme. I don't know, like just type in like GIF, and you can probably go into images as well, and you're going to see some over here. Like, let's say this one. If you absolutely cannot find it on Giphy, you can just download it, and then embed it into your Canva file. So that's how you embed videos and Giphy into your Instagram posts using Canva. If you want more tips and strategies just like this, let me know down below in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to do a tutorial. And for more videos just like this, be sure to go ahead and hit subscribe. And also, there is a video on my YouTube channel where I share with you 17 different hacks on Canva that you might have never heard about, so go ahead and check it out. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description box. So with that being said, I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video.